You know what they say about travel? It either humbles you or changes you. And this is the Oppo Reno 14 जिसको कहा जा रहा है best travel phone under 40,000 rupees. But how do you prove it? You don't. You live it. मैंने सोचा ट्रैवल फोन है और जहां तक ट्रैवल की बात है हर इंडियन की बकेट लिस्ट में ये एक जगह जरूर होती है. सो आई लेफ्ट द स्टूडियो बिहाइंड विद माय क्रू नबा, नरेन एंड अप्पू एंड वी हेडेड वेयर लाइफ ब्रीथ स्लोअर बट हिट्स हार्डर, लद्दाख. Our route would take us all the way from Delhi NCR via the outskirts of Chandigarh and then into the hills of Himachal, avoiding the landslide closed Mandi bypass and going up to the older route via Kandi Pass to Manali. From there, it was on to Jispa and then Darcha to Padum in the Zanskar Valley. From Padum, we had to take the longer route via Kargil to get to Leh, as a landslide had closed the shorter routes. From Leh, we went to the picturesque Pangong So Lake and then came back via the Leh-Manali highway, crossing the Bararacha Pass to make it back to Jispa, and then returned back to Delhi NCR the same way we had come. On the way, we encountered numerous obstacles like rain, falling rocks and mudslides, all of which tested our resolve. But ultimately, we made it through to Ladakh, where we will test whether the Oppo Reno 14 is truly the best phone under 40,000 rupees or not. तो चलो जल्दी से बॉक्स में से निकालते हैं फोन को in the middle of nowhere. So फोन के साथ साथ आपको इसके साथ मिलता है एक ये ब्लैक TPU केस, काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा मैट फिनिश के साथ आता है ये. एंड दिस इज़ द Oppo Reno 14. मैं बिल्कुल झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा बट दिस फोन इज़ गिविंग मी अ रियली प्रीमियम इन हैंड फील. सो ये फॉरेस्ट ग्रीन कलर भी बड़ा सही है, वो लाउड ग्रीन शेड नहीं है. दिस इज़ व्हाट वी कॉल सटल एंड एलिगेंट. और एक बड़ी कमाल की चीज़ है लुमिनस लूप. व्हेन यू टिल्ट दिस फोन एंड द सन डायरेक्टली हिट्स इट, it glows very dramatically. And for someone who's on the move, weight, grip, comfort, check. But the real questions are, how's the camera? Will it be able to capture stunning portraits? Can it zoom into distant peaks? Can it record stable video on bumpy trails? Will I be able to do high quality vlogs like a pro? Essentially, can I ditch my DSLR and just use this on my next adventure? Let's test these out in these chilling yet beautiful landscapes. Now here's what got me really excited. 3.5x telephoto zoom जो होगा बढ़िया ट्रैवल पोर्ट्रेट्स के लिए, but we will find out soon. 4K 60 FPS रिकॉर्डिंग ना ही सिर्फ मेन कैमरा से बट फ्रंट कैमरा से भी, जो शायद क्रिएटर्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट करेंगे. We will see how it performs. और अगर पूरे दिन के बाद आपने अपना शूट कहीं मैसअप कर दिया, देन AI एडिटर 2.0 कैन बी द सोल्यूशन फॉर इट. बट ये सब कुछ टेस्ट करके पता लगेगा. So the Oppo Reno 14 comes with a hyper-tone 50 megapixel triple camera setup, which means a 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 main camera, a 50 megapixel 3.5x telephoto with OIS, and a 50 megapixel front camera. There is also a wide-angle camera to capture these epic landscapes. तो हम लोग आ चुके हैं वैली में एकदम राइट टाइम पे. इट्स समवेयर बिटवीन ले एंड पेंगोंग. द लाइट इट्स जस्ट परफेक्ट हियर. अब क्या है ना, ज़्यादातर लोगों को लगता है टेलीफोटो सेंसर इज फॉर कैप्चरिंग डिस्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स, बट एक्चुअली इट्स इंसेनली गुड फॉर पोर्ट्रेट्स. जैसे इस शॉट को देखो नबा के 1x, इट लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल, नाइस टोन्स, गुड एज सेपरेशन एंड नेचुरल बोके. बट नाउ लुक एट 3.5x. It tightens the frame, compresses the distance between background and subject, adds character, and honestly, this could go straight to a magazine.
ये वाली पिक्चर मैं पक्का फ्रेम कराऊंगी.
Great चाहिए मुझे. Edge separation, depth, tone, it's that DSLR-ish feel, but without needing an entire 3 kg camera setup. भाई, this could legit go in a magazine. 3.5x तो ठीक है, but we also tried pushing the zooming capabilities of this phone, not just 10x or 20x, all the way to 120x. And the level of detail we got, let's just say it surprised all of us. इमेज प्रोसेसिंग इतनी तगड़ी है कि जो चीज़ आपको अपनी आंखों से नहीं दिख रही है वो आप इससे देख सकते हो. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द ट्रू एवोल्यूशन ऑफ स्मार्टफोन कैमरास. अभी क्या है ना, सम प्लेसेस आर टू ग्रैंड टू बी कैप्चर्ड इन फोटोज लाइक दिस Pangong So Lake. Let's see if the 4K 60 FPS footage from this phone does it justice.
So guys, this is the video sample of the Reno 14 at 4K 60 FPS and wow, sharpness is on point, the colors are natural, shadows भी काफी balanced हैं, एकदम सिनेमा भाई लोग.
And guess what? You can shoot at 4K 60 FPS even on 3.5x zoom.
So Nabha and Naren वहाँ दूर ये चेयर के पीछे लड़ रहे हैं. Now watch this clip. 3.5x zoom पे I can see the expressions on their faces. हल्की फुल्की wind भी है जो उनके कपड़ों पर पता लग रही है and the footage stays stable as well.
अभी सिर्फ यही नहीं, even the front camera supports 4K 60 FPS recording and here's the sample. Now this I am recording at 4K 60 FPS from the front camera of Oppo Reno 14. पीछे मेरे पैंगोंग लेक है और ये तो नवा भी है. नवा से है. Finally नवा ने चेयर छीन ली नरेन से. Anyway, I am walking, काफी तेज वॉक कर रहा हूँ मैं. There's backlight also, थोड़ी हवा भी है. Yet the video is stable. Full blown vlogging without using a gimbal. Really nice. And yes, audio is as essential for your videos. To make them even sound better, there is Sound Focus which we're using right now. And yes, it works like a charm. Background noises और echoes के साथ ये बहुत ही effectively deal करता है. अबे यार. Okay, so we got this killer selfie in this cafe, but मैंने अपनी आंखें बंद कर ली. So I think this is the right time to test the AI Editor 2.0. Let's go. So ये है AI Perfect Shot. ये आपकी दूसरी फोटो से खुली आंखों का कटआउट लेके आपकी imperfect फोटो में लगा देता है. Wow, it's like my eyes were never closed. Next है नबा की ये फोटो. A beautiful location and a beautiful photo. But नरेन ने ये फोटो कर दी है फोटो बॉम्ब. No problem, AI to the rescue again. AI eraser से आप बस one tap में सारे unwanted objects को निकाल दो. And voila. And lastly, हर कोई प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर की तरह परफेक्ट फ्रेम को पोज नहीं कर पाता है. नबा had one job, मेरी फोटो लेनी थी and this is what she told. That's where AI Recompose comes in. ये फीचर आपको सारे डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया रेडी एस्पेक्ट रेशियोज देता है that I need in a jiffy. So AI and all the creative work it handled like a pro. What truly surprised me was how well it handled this journey itself. क्योंकि जिस जगह हम हैं, लद्दाख, ये सब कुछ टेस्ट करता है. The Reno 14 is tough, like really tough. It's built with aerospace grade aluminum that's strong, light and durable. Inside it's got sponge style cushioning like shock absorbing foam that protects the internal even if you drop it on rocky trails. The front has the Gorilla Glass 7i which is super scratch resistant. And here's the best part, it is certified IP66, 68 and 69 rated. That means it can handle dust, water splashes and even hot water jets. Yup, this phone survived a quick dip without a problem. तो जहां तक बात इसकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी की है, सुंदर तो है ये फोन बट साथ में टिकाऊ भी है. Throughout the trip, the Reno 14 handled everything I needed smoothly without a glitch. App switches were quick, 4K video editing felt effortless and nothing lagged, even with multiple tasks running. It just worked consistently and reliably thanks to the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset. The battery is a beast, 6000 mAh battery packed in a slim frame. इतना ज़्यादा extraordinary heavy usage के बाद भी I still have a lot of juice remaining. And there's also 80 watt Super Whoop fast charging that should be very handy for travelers. A quick 10-minute charge allows for 12 hours of calls, 13 hours of music or 6.5 hours of video playback. That's more than enough power for power-packed adventures. So guys, back to the questions again. Will this phone be able to capture stunning portraits? Yes, it can capture great portraits thanks to its 3.5x telephoto zoom. Can it zoom into distant objects? Yes, with great visibility and with great clarity, thanks to its 120x zoom and image processing. Can it record stable videos on bumpy trails? Yes, it can in 4K 60fps, not just with the main camera, but also on 3.5x zoom. Will I be able to do high quality vlogs like a pro? Like I recorded in Pangong Lake? Yes, it definitely can. If any mess up happens, do you need to reshoot? No, not with the Reno 14, all thanks to its AI Editor 2.0. Essentially, can I ditch my DSLR and use this phone on my next adventure? Yes, I did not feel any urge to reach out to my DSLR during this trip. So, the final question, is this the best travel phone under 40,000 rupees? Yes, it definitely is. Sometimes a phone is not just about high performance gaming or megapixels. Sometimes it's about the stories it helps you tell, the memories it preserves, and the shots it doesn't miss, and the weight it takes off your shoulders, literally and creatively. For me, this trip was not about proving a point, it was about capturing moments without breaking flow or the bank. And in that sense, this phone became part of the story. Meet the Oppo Reno 14, my friends, the best travel phone under 40,000 rupees.